In addictions and recovery work, it's easy to get lost in what's broken. Relapse, reluctance, rock bottom. But in solution-focused therapy, we shift the lens. We don't ignore struggle. We look for strength. We ask, what's kept you going? What's a sign, even a small one, that things are getting better? SFT is a powerful fit for recovery because it honors dignity. It doesn't treat people as their addiction. It sees them as whole, resourceful, resilient, and ready for change, even in small steps. We use questions that tap into values. What matters enough to fight for? What would your future self be proud of? And we use scaling to track movement. On a scale of 0 to 10, how strong is your commitment to staying sober this week? What keeps it from being lower? What's something you could do to move up even half a point? SFT builds on success. If a client stayed sober for one day, we ask, what helped? What does that say about you? Instead of shame, we reflect effort. You made a choice that was hard and you did it. Miracle questions become moments of hope. If your recovery felt easier tomorrow, what would be the first sign? What would someone close to you notice that tells them you're doing well? We also explore exceptions. When was a time you resisted using even when it was tough? What helped you through that moment? Recovery is not linear. SFT doesn't demand perfection. It highlights direction. We celebrate momentum, not milestones alone. SFT also allows space for setbacks without judgment. When someone relapses, we don't start over. We ask, what helped you come back? What did you learn about yourself that might help next time? This builds confidence, not fear. SFT in group recovery settings can be just as impactful. We invite group members to complement each other's progress, to notice effort,